I was charged with aggravated menacing and assault in the third degree. My biggest fears were losing my family and going to prison prior to seeing Tim Bussey.
Domestic violence cases are some of the worst calls that I take. Not only is someone facing a very serious criminal charge, but they've also potentially got a protection order that protects them or prevents them from talking to their loved one. There are so many other collateral consequences that come with having a domestic violence conviction that it's important to me that I talk to you as soon as possible and that we get our firm involved right from the start of your case. Because domestic violence charges come with so many collateral consequences, there are a lot of mistakes that people can make. When you have an attorney, you have somebody advising you about all the mistakes that you can make in your case, about the protection order, about any other potential collateral consequences that would come with having a domestic violence charge. Right away with somebody that's charged with a violent crime charge, we want to make sure that their rights are protected, that they're advised, that they're represented by competent counsel, that they feel comfortable with our firm and know that they're going to be taken care of throughout the course of their case.
Tim took a very gentle approach towards me. He was very assertive and knowledgeable of the laws, so I believed that he was the best lawyer for my case. He was reassuring me that he was going to fight for me, and he believed me.
When you're charged with a domestic violence charge, right away the judge is going to set a no bond hold. What that means is that you have to go to the jail and turn yourself in and see a judge before you're released. That can be extremely stressful and detrimental to your everyday life. It's important that you talk to us as soon as possible if facing domestic violence charges, so we can walk you through the process, walk you through how you get in and out of the jail system, and make sure that jail is not somewhere that you stay.
I absolutely recommend Tim. He's very, very good at what he does. He's knowledgeable, and he is aggressive towards what he knows, and he makes you feel comfortable. I was able to be there for my grandson's birth, and I knew if I didn't have him, I would have went to prison.
On a domestic violence case, you do need an attorney to represent you. There are so many collateral consequences that you may not be aware of or catch. An experienced criminal defense attorney is going to talk to you about potential consequences of being found guilty or of pleading guilty to a domestic violence type charge.